All set? Okay, so step one to get a feel for this is take yourself from where you are at address, good athletic spot, bring it up over the ball, and then turn your chest over your left foot. When you do that, your left leg should be really straight. Your left toe should be turned kind of out towards where the club is going, but you should feel stable on that foot with your right heel off the ground, and the club should look to you like it looked at address, nice and square. Now, you're going to send it by you this way without closing it. You're not going to turn it over. And when you go farther this way, the next stage is your thighs are going to touch together and your right wrist is going to go into flexion. Okay, that means it's going to be bowed out this way. This is what's going to eliminate the chicken wing. See, the guy who's trying to keep it from closing going there makes that happen. So you're going to let it go by, but it's going to go to here. And remember, your right foot's up, but your legs are not touching together here. Now the club's going to go past on this side, right wrist goes into flexion, thighs touch together. Okay, there's a finish that's higher up than that, but that's not what we're looking for here. So that's the second step. Now the third step, we're going to take this position as it is, and we're going to take it back till the hands are over the right foot. And when you do, the hollowness here is going to help you not take it too inside. But when you get back to here, I don't want a lot of hip turn yet. I want your legs to be pretty square when you get to here, but that club is out. Here's the big part. Now from here, once the club's out there, I want you to roll that forearm vigorously until you feel like the shaft of the club is pointing above the ball. Now when you do that, your right elbow will be way behind you, and then from there, you can just fall back into the ball, into the positions you just showed yourself. So here's how it looks, okay? Up over to here, then thighs touch, go into flexion, right back to hands over the right foot, back behind you real shallow, and then back through the same places. And once you start to get a feel for going over here, then you hit kind of a little one and see if you can get to that same place when you go through. Okay, you'll find this interesting. It really gives you a good sense of where you're trying to go because of where you were and where you're going to go after that. So every motion has to have a supporting motion that's past it and before it. The ones over here are the ones that are going to feel most different to you, and the one here where the club stays out early but then rolls till it's above the ball with the elbow back, that's going to really help you get back to that same place.